Achiedh nade okwako chenro mag apise manyien mag tend loch nanga chako tich ka jotelo mathoth dwa ni sirkal oneni gi chako tich kata obedo ni sirkal to ywago nok mar omenda. Chenro mar sirkal mar neno ni sub counties duto manyien mayando yange chako tich e hik omenda ma 2023-2024 ochung' kaluwore kod onge mar omenda kodong' mana thuolo machuok to hik omenda ni rumo dwe mar 6 higani. Jotelo ma kaunti ma Migori onyiso sirkal mondo ne ni apise manyien go ochako tich mondo jopiny oyud chenro machiegni kodgi. Jagoro mongirore migawo mar arita Dr. Raymond Omolo kata kamano olero ni pod gimanyo mwandu mar neno ni apise manyien go duto tiyo.
Watu wa hapa wanataka administrative units. Migori County in the whole of Nyanza ndiyo kitinda mimba in terms of counties. Sisi tulikatwa tukitoka Homa Bay. Homa Bay ilikuwa South Nyanza County ama South Nyanza District headquarters, tukapata Migori District. Na Homa Bay vile vile kabla tupate South Nyanza tulikuwa Southern Nyanza ambayo Kisii ilikuwa ndani yake. Kwa hivyo kwa mpango ya structures of the national government tumekuwa nyuma kabisa.
Tulikuwa na challenge ya create new administrative units, and we gazetted a number of administrative units, not just in Migori County but across the country. If you are keen, early this week I was in Parliament engaging the leadership of Parliament on the need for us to get enough resources to allow us to operationalize these administrative units. And we have the commitment from Parliament, and I want to plead with the members of Parliament present here, as well as the Senator, to support that process so that we have adequate resources that would allow us to operationalize all these administrative units so that we make it easy for Kenyans to access government services.